Good morning, children. Welcome back to online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jen Priyam, your computer science faculty. Children, in our last class, we were discussing about how to pass parameters into a function. What are the different ways to pass parameters into a function? That is default arguments, positional arguments, and keyword arguments. Okay, in that section, we have to discuss one more topic, that is how to pass multiple types as parameters into a function. See the example. Here we have interest 5,000, then time is equal to 5. This is a function call statement. Okay, then the function definition as def interest print cc time is equal to 2, rate is equal to 0.09. Children, here no space to write this much, that's a writing here, but this whole thing you have to write in one line. Then return print into time into rate. Okay, this is the function definition. See, in this function definition, you can see that the first one is positional argument and second one is keyword argument. That means two types of arguments are passing to a function. Okay, so while using this, you can send these parameters in order, or in any by using the keyword arguments, you can use parameters in any order. See, here the different types of legal and illegal function call statements. See the first function call statement, interest print is equal to 3000, cc is equal to 5. What would happen while we call this statement? Here see, print cc, both values are given, then time is equal to 2, rate is equal to 0.09. These two are keyword arguments, so no need to pass. Or the default arguments, no need to pass. Okay, so this one is a legal statement. Children, remember one thing, when you use multiple times parameters, the first one will be a positional parameter and the last you can use the following ones, maybe keyword or the named arguments. Okay, first one will be positional argument, then the following one will be keyword of named argument. Okay, so if there is no positional argument, you can use all the arguments as keyword arguments. While using keyword arguments, you can use the arguments in any order. No need to follow the same order that you defined in a function definition. Okay, then the second one is you cannot specify value for a argument in more than once. Okay, you cannot specify value for an argument is in more than once. Okay, one more thing you have to keep in mind, that is keyword arguments should be taken from the required arguments. Okay, keyword arguments should be taken from the required arguments. That will be better while writing a program. Okay, let us move to other statements. See the second one, interest rate is equal to 0.12, print 5,000, cc is equal to 4. This is also a valid statement. See, here all are keyword statements. Okay, so this is a valid statement. See here, interest cc is equal to 4, rate is equal to 0.12, print is equal to 5,000. Okay, this is also keyword arguments, so you can use these arguments in any order. So this one also a valid statement. Next one, interest 5,003, rate equal to 0.05. Okay, see, so the 5,000 will be assigned to print, these 3 will assign to cc, then time is already given, the rate is equal to 0.05. Okay, so this value will be taken. So this one is also a valid statement. Clear? The next one, interest rate is equal to 0.05, 5,003. See, this one is not a valid statement. Do you know the reason? Because here first one is keyword argument, then the positional arguments. So while using multiple times argument, you have to give the first one as positional argument, then followed by default or keyword argument. So this statement is an illegal statement. Then last one, interest 5,000, print 3,000, cc is equal to 2. See here also print 3,000. Okay, here 5,000, then print 3,000. Then what will happen while we calling this statement? The 5,000 will assign to print. Again this print is equal to 3,000. That means 2 assignment for one variable. There is 2 assignment for one variable. That is also not possible while calling a function. You cannot specify more than one value for an argument. Clear? So these two are in illegal statement. All these three are legal statement. So these are the different ways to send arguments to a function. Okay, once again children, first one default argument, then keyword argument, positional argument, then multiple times argument. These are the different ways to send parameters into a function. Clear? Okay. Now let us move to next topic. See children, functions in Python may or may not return values. Okay, so we can divide these functions are functions returning some values, that is non-void functions. Function returning some values, the types of functions are called non-void function. The next group is functions not returning any values, that is void functions. Okay, function returning some values are called non-void functions, and functions not returning any values are called void function. Okay, so let us discuss first one, function returning some values. So this is the syntax for the first one, that is return then value. Return value, this is the syntax for first one, that is function returning some values. See here how to write the return statement, you already know. See the example, return 5. Return 5 means this statement return the value 5 to the called function. Okay. Next one, return a plus b means here it accepts two variable a and b. That two values are added, return to the called function. Then return a plus b divided by c. Okay. These are the different types of return statements we are using in the Python program. Okay. Then I will give more examples. See here, def sum of x, y, the s is equal to x plus y, return x. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, this is a function header and this is function body. Return s means it will return this variable s. Okay, so let us see how to call these statements. See here, result is equal to sum of 5, 3. Okay, while we execute this instruction, what will happen? This function will call sum of 5, 3. Okay, that is this 5 will assign to x and 3 will assign to y. Then it will add 5 plus 3. That value will assign to s. Return s means this 8 will return here. So you will get this result is equal to 8. Clear? See another one, print sum of 3, 4. What will happen? Yes, it will call the function sum, then to result 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, 7 will return, that 7 will print here. That means the function is called inside a print statement. Okay, see next one, sum of 4, 5 greater than 6. That is the function is used inside a relational operation. Okay, so here we are checking two variables or two numbers while using a relational operator. So these are the different ways to call a function. Okay, see children, this statement after the return statement does not execute inside a function. That means when you write any statement after here, that is here return s, when you write a print statement, that is print s. See, when you write this print s is here, that does not execute while calling this function. That means when an interpreter execute this return s, that is the end of this function. This statement does not execute while during the execution process. Okay, so return statement is the end of the function. Clear? Next I will explain void functions. That is function not returning any values. Okay, so when a function does not return any value, you can use a single return statement or you can leave that statement. Here we have some example. See here, def great print hello. So this is a function. See here, no return statement. Okay, so next function, see here, great one name. Here we are accepting one variable, okay, but we didn't return any value to the caller function. Okay, so here print hello name. Just print the value, no return statement. Okay, see the last function, def called print goodness count. Okay, in this example, you can see one return statement. So when you use the return statement or when you not using the return statement, the void functions will work. Okay, in the void function, either you can write the return statement or you can leave the return statement. Okay. See children, the void function is sometimes called non-fruitful function. It is legally return one non-value to the call function. Okay, see the example. See here, def great print hello. This is a function. So when we call this, that is a is equal to great. A is equal to great means we call this function. But see here, no return statement. But this great is assigned to a variable a. Then what will happen? Do you know? Then what will print by using this print statement? See, while executing this statement, you will get a output like this. That is hello, then none. See, while we call this function, the print hello. So it prints the value hello. Okay. Then here also one print statement, print a. So what is the value assigned to this a? See here, a is equal to great. Here no return statement. So the Python return a none value to the variable a. That's why it prints the value none. Clear? The Python in void function return a legal none value to a caller function. Okay, I will give one more example. Here def replicate print $3 symbol. Then print replicate. Okay, when this statement executed, you will get the output as $3 symbol. Okay, this $3 symbol because of this print statement. Then none is because of this print statement. Okay, because this function is a void function, it does not return any values to the caller function. Okay, see another example, def replicate 1, they return this $3 symbol. Okay, so when we call this function by using this print statement, print replicate. Okay, so what will be the output? Print replicate. Here also one return statement. That's why it prints this dollar symbol only. Is it clear? On the first function, there is no return statement. In the second function, there is a return statement. Here is a void function. That's why it return a none value. That value is printing here. Okay. On the second function, it return a value. So no none value. That's why it prints only this dollar statements. Okay. So children, please write the lecture notes while watching this video. Okay children, so please go through the examples that are given in this lecture video. Please copy all the examples into your notebook. Okay, please study well all the examples thoroughly. Okay, ask your doubts during the live section. Then see you again with another topic. Till then, bye.